It's Vanessa here with your workspace unboxing. This is our October box. So October's theme is career and money, and I can't wait to dig in because talking about money is something that I struggle in, and so I know typically that might be something that our subscribers and our members have an issue with too. So I can't wait to dive in. All right, career and money. Here is our description of all the products. I'm going to unbox them and tell you all the goodies that are inside. But first, I want to talk about our trainings. So part of your being a subscriber with us is that you have access to these amazing trainings. So first training up is Up Your Salary Negotiation Skills. Author Olivia Jars, I conducted the interview with her this month and she is amazing. So this one, salary negotiation is a pivotal step when you are interviewing for a new job. Learn how to quantify your value in today's marketplace and get the money you deserve. Awesome. Okay, and then we have another training and a bonus this month. So Dara Lynn Walker, How to Ace Your Virtual Interview. More and more employers are using online meetings for job interviews for candidates. Learn the keys to acing the interview and appearing confident online. We all need this. And last but not least, our bonus training from Channing Clark. Maintain mental stability in the workplace. Now, with all that's going on, keeping mental stability is important. But let's dig into this box. So, career and money. You deserve to be paid what you are worth. You deserve a life of financial freedom. Yes, you, me, and everyone listening. So, let's dive on in. First, we have our book by Olivia Jars, and again, she is the one who's doing our training this month. So this book is Know Your Worth, Get Your Worth book. Learn how to quantify your value in today's marketplace and ask for the money. This book is your secret weapon to help get the money you deserve. So when you watch the interview, you'll see that Olivia does reference this book a lot. So I can't wait to dive in. Please, in our Facebook group, give us your comments and some reviews about this book. Next, money, 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 receipt catcher. Keep track of your money and the receipt chaos with this miracle receipt holder. It includes themed pad, accordion pockets, tab labels, and a pen. Money, money, money. On the bottom it says easy come and easy go. So I have receipts everywhere. So it's a tab to keep track of your receipts. And if you can see that, where did my money go? So a tracker of where your money went. So this is a good time. It's almost holiday time, so we need to be keeping track of our money. Can't wait to start using this. Two-toned wristlet. Effortlessly organize your cards and cash with this stylish two-tone wristlet. I'm using this today. It is so cute. I don't think the video really shows the quality of this bag. This bag is cute. I cannot wait to use it. I'm going to use it this afternoon. And that gold and that money green. All right, My Skills Pay the Bills Money Tree. This DIY Blossom Kit will bring life to any workplace. Money trees are known to bring good luck and prosperity. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. So here is your, I don't know if you can see it good. My Skills Pay the Bill. So this is your own blossom kit. It includes a seed packet, pet pellets, wooden cue planter, and protective planter liner so that you can grow your own money tree. So I'm going to read this really quickly. To enjoy your blossom kit, follow these simple steps. Place pet palette in separate container, add approximately 1 cup of water, and it's just a bunch of information about how to plant your seed. How awesome is that? Cannot wait to do it. So I want to tell you a little bit about money trees. So I'm a new plant mom. You see, I'm actually plant sitting. That's Roosevelt in the back. And here's Benjamin. So this is my actual money tree. It was gifted to me. So my mother is from the Philippines, and we had money trees all over our house. And money trees is supposed to be a symbolic, it's a good gift. and it's supposed to bring prosperity and luck into your life. And my mom's tradition says that you're not supposed to buy your own money tree, that someone's supposed to gift it to you. So WorkSpaceSpark has gifted you your own money tree. So money trees are also pretty easy to take care of. So again, it tells you instructions here on how to plant it, but it doesn't need a whole lot of direct sunlight, and you probably need to water it just once a week. So super excited to see all your money trees growing and the prosperity that's going to bring to you. Last, but definitely not least, and we all need it, is our AccuMassage Trigger Point Massage Tool. Say goodbye to tech neck. So if you are experiencing tech neck, here is your solution. You can use this cool massage tool to release knots in your back and shoulders in between meetings. So Dorothea, our founder, this is her favorite, and she had to have this in the box. So it does come in several different pieces, as you see here. And instructions. We weren't going to leave you hanging, okay? So the instructions on how to actually put your massager together. So I will do a separate video to show you all how to do it. But it's supposed to relieve neck tension, control the pressure, target trigger points, and it's an easy massage for your muscles. Definitely all the things that we need. So don't forget, we do have our online trainings. We have 3 this month with a bonus. And access your Spark Your Career online magazine. Don't forget our Facebook group as well. So in the Facebook group, I want you to talk to me about money. How do you feel about talking about money? Do you have issues with salary negotiation? And if so, let's kind of do a deep dive into this book and let me know what you think about it. Anyways, until next month, I'll see you again.